Hey friends, if you wish to download Microsoft Word for free on your Windows computer legally, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open Microsoft Edge and then go to office.com and hit enter. Click on sign in and then go to Word on the left pane. Wait for it to load. Once it does, click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select more tools, select apps, select install this website as an app, name it Microsoft Word, which is the default name, click on install. It will install Microsoft Word as an application. If you search for it in the Windows search bar, it will appear there and then you can open it through this option as well. So is it the same as the paid version of Microsoft Word? The answer is no, but it is pretty good. It does most of the functions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.